going to... Are you recording right now?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay. No, I mean like, not like actually recording. I'm talking about like the camera recording.
Yeah, he's recording.
Okay. Okay, but be careful. That's a thing. So we have to record like something spooky. Press record now. Alright guys, welcome to our video. This is where we will be exploring the... yeah, fuck that. I'm not doing that. Diamond.
Uh-huh.
I'm scared.
Penis.
Say something funny for the boys.
My hand is stuck. Oh, heaven! Who are thems? Look at them! Yes, guys, very scary. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that shit was scary, man. What was that? Well, explain it, Diamond. You're the ghost buster. Tell me, what was that down there, man? Hello.
Oh, yeah,
Video time! Yes! Let's go, Larry!
Yes.
Penis.
Woo, woo, woo! Dude, that's crazy, bro. Say something for the video.
47.
We've arrived in the most spookiest place in the planet with It's Diamond Gaming 77. If you guys haven't already subscribed to It's Diamond Gaming 77, he makes videos. Where? Who was that, guys?
Guys, spinal cord. No way.
Holy fucking shit! Ah!
He's eating me! Ah! He's taking me! Put the video to YouTube Island! There's another one behind you!
I hope you liked the video. Please hit and like and subscribe for more content like this bullshit.